Palindrome number. See, firstly, what is a palindrome number? See, when we read a number from left side and right side, it should look similar. If it looks similar from left side and right side, then it is palindrome number. For example, here we go. Here we have a number that is 121. When we read it from left side, we have 1, 2, 1. When we read it from right side, we have 1, 2, 1. Of course, it is similar, so it is a palindrome number. So this is what we have to do now. See here, the given question is he will give us an integer. Now we should check whether it is a palindrome or not. If it is a palindrome, we are going to return is true. If it is not a palindrome, we are going to return it as false. Before going to into this concept, I mean before going to solve this palindrome, first of all we should know that whether first of all we should know how to reverse a palindrome. I mean how to reverse a number, because let's think 121 is an actual number which he has given, and when we compare it with the reverse number, then if they both are equal, then it is said to be palindrome. So simply now what we need is a how to reverse a number. So to reverse a number, let's take an example of a number that is x is equal to 123. Let's take this as an example. See, for this reversing a number, we should know a concept of percentile. This is an operator which gives us reminder of 2 digits. Okay, yeah, this is x is equal to 123. First of all, let's initialize one another variable, that is reverse, rev is equal to 0. Okay, yeah, now we don't know how much time should we do this whole stuff, so for now let's forget about that and let's focus on our main part. See, now let's store a variable k as by dividing our actual integer x percentile by 10. What does this statement refers? Means here x is 123, so we are getting reminder when we divide it by 10. What we get as reminder? When we divide a number by 10, we get the last digit as reminder. See here, we have 123. When you divide it by 10, what's the remainder? The remainder we get is 3. So we get k as 3. Remember it. Now the value in the k is 3. Yeah. The value in the number is k is 3. Now let's add this k to reverse. Reverse is equals to reverse but into 10 plus k. Here what is this into 10 means? We will get this point while we do dry run. So reverse is equals to what we have in reverse? 0. Let's here first 0 into what we have 10 plus what is our k now? 3. What we get here, it is 3. Now our reverse value is 3. Okay, now our reverse value is 3. Now we directly change our number by dividing it with 10. X is equals to x divided by 10. Now we are dividing it, we are not taking, our operator is division, not the percentile one. This is the percentile one. See, don't get confused. This is the percentile one. This is the division operator. It directly divides our x. So what we get here, it is our x becomes 12, because when 123 is divided by 10, you will get it as 12.3. But since x is an integer, mainly we focus on 12. So our x is 12 now. So again, now when x is divided by 10, our k becomes 2. Now k becomes 2. Here k will be 2. Yeah. Now reverse. Now what we have in reverse? In reverse we have 3 into 10 plus what we have in k? 2. This is what we get here, it is 32. Now again our x becomes 12 divided by 10, 1. Next again k is equal to 1 percentile by 10. Our again when 1 is divided by 10, our remainder is 1. So 1 into 10, sorry, not 1. What is reverse? 32. The value in the reverse is 32. So 32 into 10 plus k. What is k? 1. So what we get here, it is 321. You can observe that our actual number is 1, 2, 3, and the number stored in the reverse. Now the numbers which are stored in the reverse is 3, 2, 1, which is reverse of our actual number. Now if you observe, x is equal to x divided by 10. When 1 is divided by 10, our x becomes 0. So this is our hint that now we should end the loop. So now you should get that how much time we should run the loop, until unless our x, the given integer, is greater than 0. जब तक वो 0 ना होता तब तक we should run our code. So until it gets 0, our reverse number will be stored in the variable reverse, rev. So this is how to reverse a number. So now by this concept we will going to solve this palindrome question by using a small logic. That is, we will compare the real number with the reverse number. If they both are equal, it is true. If not, it is false. Now let's code for our problem. Now let's get into the coding. Yeah, here what the integer he has given is x. So now firstly declare a variable temp and store the given value in this temp. Now while until our variable is equal to, is not equal to 0, or you can also write it as until our temp is greater than 0. Okay, now firstly you should declare a variable int k is equal to temp percentile by 10. By this we will get reminders of the temp into k. Now reverse is equal to, of course we should declare another variable reverse, rev is equal to 0. This stores the reverse value. Okay, reverse value of the number. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus k. Now what we have to do, we should divide the number by 10. Temp is equal to temp divided by 10. See here what happens is, until the temp is not equal to 0, our loop runs, and the reverse value of temp is stored in the variable reverse. After the number is getting reverse, now simply we should add two statements. If rev, this variable stores the reverse number of the number which has given. If reverse is equal to x, we should return true. Returning true, this is a boolean data type. Okay, else we should return false. Now you have a doubt, why did you have keep an rev is equal to x? Why not rev is equal to temp? Because temp has become 0. We have changed that, we have modified the value of temp. So to store the original value, I have used temp as another variable, and I have stored the real value in x. If rev is equal to x, agar reversed value is equal to original value, it is true. That is, the given number is palindrome. If not, false. Now let's check this our code. Yeah, it is running. Now let's submit it. Yeah, it is successful. Thank you for watching video.